Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? So this is live price prediction and definitely very urgent update for all Pancakeswap holders. So must watch this video completely to understand better and what's going on, my friend. In upcoming time, I will everything discuss now. What experts say about Pancakeswap. In upcoming time, there is a chances to the price will increase. You will need to hold and you will need, my friends, to invest more. Everything with details now, but please, if you are new my channel, now subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, minus 18.38% the price will decrease now, and very bad fails, my friend. But this is last 7 days, my friend, all cryptocurrencies were very badly fails down. So one reason I found, so this is the start of month, so definitely the point were fails down. But after the mid, absolutely, my friend, in last 10 days of, I will give you 100% guarantee to, in the last 10 days of this month, Pancakeswap will completely moving upward now and completely go in the moon now. So therefore, I will just in only notify you to please, if you hold in those days. So the price is very cheap, 25.15 USD dollar. I hope they will easily hit now 30 USD dollar. This is, sorry, this is the highest this time, because here the current price is 19.79, so 76. So therefore I hope they will easily hit now 30 USD dollar just in only an other sorry 15 days, my friend. So please holder, this is very huge target, but they already hit 25 USD dollars. So 25 to this is very easy now to they will hit now. But this is chance, my friend, this is chance to they will hit 30 USD dollar. If they not hit 30 USD dollars, so this is possible to they hit 27 to 28 USD dollar. Thanks for watching, Pancakeswap holder. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care.